everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about POCLAD XYZ reviews. So without wasting time, let's get started. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. So take a look at the homepage of this page. POCLAD.xyz is an online web store that deals with PlayStations. And yes, apart from that, few brands available on the website are Nintendo, you can take a look, Sony and Xbox. Apart from that, this website is also known for offering various other gaming accessories in case you want to buy a single separate accessory for your existing PlayStations. So here you can see the brands, that is Nintendo, Sony and Xbox, or various gaming accessories. Now let's take a look at the other information of this website as well. So let's take a look at the payment methods. The company accepts payment via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB and so on. And when it comes to the return and exchange policy, so let's take a look on this as well. For return and exchange, 14 days warranty is applied while 30 days warranty is applied to free repair. Now what about shipping policy? So let's take a look at the shipping policy. Yes, the standard delivery takes around 1 to 5 weeks. You can read here, days to deliver products. And apart from that, the company is charging shipping fee, that is $10 in the US on most items. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit websites. So yes, first point is that the website uses a valid HTTPS connection, but of course this is not enough to judge a website's legitimacy. So we need to check out or review other factors as well. Yes, so the site has been not rated by any user yet, and the reason is that the domain name of this website was registered on June 29, 2020. It means this is a 27 days old website and is recently launched in the market. So guys, this is a high red alert because this is a newly launched website in the market, so we can't trust on this website easily. Now we know that customer reviews plays an important role in judging a website's legitimacy or fakeness, but no POCLAD XYZ reviews are available on other platforms or on website as well. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. So guys, I'm able to view the official address and email address or phone number, but I want to say that this contact info is not legit, as the address given on this website is the address of a person's apartment in LA, California. So I think this is one of the biggest loopholes regarding this website's fakeness. So I would like to say stay away from such type of scam websites. And yes, apart from that, you can see there is no about us section available on the web pages. Yeah, so about us section is missing. And the trustworthiness rating of this website is too low. So I think then this website may be unsafe to shop. So yes guys, I have done with the unbiased review regarding the fakeness or legitimacy of this website, and in the conclusion the website appears to be suspicious. But guys, we would love to hear your views on this feedback. Please comment below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and please subscribe our channel. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for giving your precious time guys. Have a good day.